Hi and welcome. Today's video is going to show you clue 1 of the So Sweet Mystery Puzzle Quilt by Cotton Cuts. The thing I love about this is that all the pieces come pre-cut and then all you have to do is follow the simple instructions. So rather than me show a full detailed 20-30 minute video on how to make it, I've sped mine up just to show you how it's all done in about 3 minutes. So enjoy. Well, I hope you did enjoy that video of me putting together clue 1. If you did enjoy it, definitely give the video a thumbs up, and we'll be back soon, hopefully for the a similar video for clue 2. And I'd love to hear your comments and let me know if you're also working on this So Sweet Puzzle Mystery Quilt, because I'd love to hear your comments. I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.